I'm walking you through how to manage your bedtime reminders on the YouTube app so you can take better control of your screen time. To get started, open the YouTube app on your Android or iPhone. From your main feed, you need to head over to your profile settings. Tap your profile picture, which you'll find in the bottom right corner on Android devices or the top right on iOS. Once that menu opens, look for the gear icon labeled Settings and click on that. Now, the location of this feature can vary slightly depending on your specific version of the app. For most users on newer layouts, you will want to tap on General. However, some versions now group these tools under a section called Time Management. Once you are in that menu, look for the option that says Remind me when it's bedtime. If you want to enable the feature, simply toggle the switch on. The app will then ask you to choose a specific bedtime window. You can set custom hours that fit your schedule, or you can choose to have YouTube sync directly with your phone's existing bedtime mode. The important thing to keep in mind is that you have a choice in how the reminder behaves. You can set it so the notification immediately interrupts your video, or you can check a box so the reminder waits until you finish the video you are currently watching. If you are looking to disable the reminder, it is just as straightforward. Go back into those same settings, find the bedtime reminder toggle, and switch it off. Now, there is a bit of a catch to keep in mind regarding your account age. For users aged 13 to 17, this feature is often turned on by default to encourage healthier habits. For adults, it stays off by default unless you choose to activate it. If you ever feel like you're losing track of time while scrolling through your feed, this is the best way to stay disciplined. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.